Mikey, Mikey, Mikey.
Right, so today we're going to cook chicken adobo. We're going to do that because whenever our friends or family come round, it seems to be a real favourite. What is chicken adobo? Very, very popular Filipino dish. Basically, it's a chicken stew which has been stewed in soy sauce and garlic. Very, 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 very simple staple diet in the Philippines. Easy to do, cheap to do, relatively healthy. So we're going to make that now. So for ingredients, what we're going to use is some chicken drumsticks. You can use chicken thighs, or you can use a combination of thighs and drumsticks. The main thing with this dish is to use chicken which is on the bone. It gives it so much of a better taste. We're also going to be using between 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, around about a teaspoon of whole peppercorns, some bay leaves. We're going to be using some soy sauce. This is a Filipino soy sauce, but you can use any soya, it will be absolutely fine. This is again a traditional Filipino vinegar, which is from cane sugar. If you do use white vinegar, that's fine, but use a little bit less than what we're doing. And that is how simple this dish is. This is what makes a delicious chicken adobo. We need to marinate the chicken. So to do that simply, let's get the chicken out and just give them some nice slashes in to the flesh, right down deep. Get your chicken, put that into the bowl. And then the next step is, all we do is, we need to get some cloves of garlic. And as I said, for this, you need about 4 to 5, it depends on your taste. What's really good about this dish is you can make it so quick. There's no messing around with it. Get those two, get a bit of crush like that, straight in like that into the pot. There we go, to there. And now I'm going to pour that in. Put a bit of cling film on there, and we're going to marinate that for, ideally you want to marinate it for 4 hours. If you can do it for more than that, superb. Next is to sear the chicken in a hot pan. So we've got a pan, you can use a wok, a little bit of vegetable oil in there, just get that nice and hot. And then we're going to now get the chicken and we're going to sear that in the pan. So the great thing about chicken adobos is how quick, apart from waiting for the chicken to marinate, the actual cooking process itself takes no time at all. We're going to have this with boiled rice, and it's a really nice, enjoyable meal and very cheap to make. And make sure you get that garlic in there, because that's what gives it the flavour as well. Like that. And then what we're going to do is shake up, and then we're going to add our teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 bay leaves. Simple water, around about just under a half a cupful of water into there. And then we're going to stew that off, give it just a little stir around. Put the lid on. I'm going to leave that to bubble away for around about 30 minutes. We are going to use this rice here, which is a Cambodian premium jasmine rice. Do not make the same mistake that I did. We are thinking, yeah, rice is rice. It is not. That's like saying all potatoes are the same as potatoes. They're not. Always use a good quality rice. So this is our rice cooker. We got this from Amazon about a year and a half ago, made by Russell Hobbs. Only cost about 15 quid, and it's absolutely great. You throw your water in, you throw your rice in, turn it on, forget it, it does the rest. The adobo now has been cooking for about 45 minutes, and the soya is now starting to evaporate now, so the sauce is becoming a bit thicker. Now you're probably thinking, oh, vinegar, I won't like that. Trust me, this is what really brings out the taste. If you're going to use white vinegar, only use just a little bit. MSG. Oh yeah, that sauce is getting thick. The adobo is ready, that's looking good. Nice.
I think you did it this time.
Authentic.
Mm-hmm.
Would your mum be proud?
We should taste.
I can't wait, I'm starving. Is it good?
My mom will be happy with this.
Well, if you enjoyed that, do me a favour, give me a like, give me a comment, or even better, subscribe to our channel. To my Filipino friends, I'm well up for a challenge. I love to cook. Send me what you'd like me to do next, and I'll gladly do it. And likewise, if you want to know how to make any English dishes, I'm up for that too. See you next time.
Paalam!